Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Beautiful truck here for you today. Absolutely love this one. Love the stripes. This is Mark's cell. It's a Myron out of Texas. Tanner Express out of Texas. We haven't had a chance to detail this one. Didn't get everything finished, but Myron needed the truck. So silver with black stripes, and these stripes are something that we can do on anything. We've got it on file at Peterbilt, so we can just change the colors if you want. If you wanted like white, red stripes and a red frame, if it was me, would match the frame to the stripes, kind of like this one is, which is, I really like it. Just, they're very simple, but really make the truck look good. So there's and we did a gray one with plum crazy stripes not too long ago. It turned out really well, and that's what this one's based on. So Myron, good call, beautiful truck. Did some closeouts there. So what this is a 2023 Peterbilt 389 Ultra Cab with a 78-inch stand-up sleeper, 280 wheelbase. So that gives us our basics. Air ride steer axle, low pro 24.5s on the front, Peterbilt wheels. And see, we did these closeouts on them. And then the lights are on the bottom. So looks fantastic. I wish I could do this one at night. It's really good. So it looks like about a 6-inch closeout there. Got the lights on the bottom. Large def tank. Guys like that. You don't have to fill it up as often. Got a 110 over here. Myron did something that I would have done. Ordered the truck without toolboxes. The reason for that, no handles on the back of the sleeper. Gives you a much cleaner back of sleeper. We mounted the antennas on the back of the sleeper as well. So those are his toolboxes that we were supposed to mount. We just were running out of time, and Myron needed to get back to Texas, so he will install those later. But I love that look, and he's probably going to be doing some fenders as well. Got good years on this one. Looks like we got full lockers, disc brakes all the way around, Holland FW35 fifth wheel outboard mount. And this truck, oh, there's where we hid the train horn on this one. Got jump posts here, train horns, S-bar bunk heater. Got a 150 on this side. Everything polished. And I'm not sure the paint coat on this. Mark could have to help me on that. But I absolutely, 7 bars on the front grille. Love that look. Got a beautiful truck here, Myron. Very nice looking truck. And on this one, it's the PACCAR engine, which gives you a lot of room under the hood. There's the hot side. 510 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque, with a 13-speed ultra shift on this one. Air ride steer axle. It's a 13.2 steer with air ride. These PACCAR engines are very quiet. Flip that forward so we can close the hood. They encase a lot of wires in this urethane. It's a push rod engine, and it's got the cam is way down in the block, very low. So it makes it very quiet. Gorgeous truck. A lot more room in here than a Cummins, especially right back here. So we'll take you inside. These are, we do the smart sound insulation in all our trucks, which helps with a lot of noise. And with this engine, it is very, very quiet inside. We got cloth seats in this one. And carpet on the floor. I thought maybe we might have rubber, but we do not. There was a deal going around Facebook that these A panels were recalled. It's not true. I just talked to Peterbilt and they said no, there has been no recall on these. Very quiet. Factory CB. No nav on this one, so we got as many gauges as we could get with 2 banks of switches. Looks like we got their full locker switches here. Air slide 5th wheel suspension dump, a PTO switch, and a couple extra PTO switches. Smart wheel. AM, FM. I always want to say AM, FM, CD. Cloth seats, but in the sit so low, so we did it on both of them. Sorry, had a phone call come through there. Didn't mean to do that, but got the sit so low in there, moves those seats back, gives you a lot of room. 78-inch stand-up sleeper. Got the fold-away armrest. Got the fridge up here. Business center. And get the rear cabinets for storage. And it's got the S-bar heater. Alarm clock, a couple of power ports. Just a beautiful, beautiful truck. It is gorgeous. So I thought I'd share this one with you. Like I said, it's a PACCAR 510, 1850 torque. With the ultra shift, this is where it's a stock on the side of the steering column. And that's also your Jake brake. Pull it back down like this, that's your Jake. And if you look on the kick it forward one, there's your lowest setting and then off. Just flip that forward or reverse. Very nice, very quiet. 510 1850 with a 13 ultra shift and 336 gears. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. So with that, we didn't get some of the lighting on, things like that. We added the extra lights on the top of the cab and a drop visor. Myron's just got to get back to Texas. So Myron, thank you for your business. We appreciate it. Beautiful truck. We appreciate you guys watching. Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Or Mark McIntyre. Mark's the other sales guy here. There's just 2 of us. So appreciate you guys watching. 970-691-3877 or CouchK, COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. Take care.